Five blessings needed to enjoy a good marriage. Hi, friends. Welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the blessings your marriage drastically needs. Modern couples do not know how to value their marriage, said my 80-year-old mother with regret. Why do you feel so? I asked bewilderedly. It is because modern couples do not understand the blessings their marriage needs. They run after money, thinking it's the only blessing they need to enjoy a happy relationship. It is sad that they do not realize that money can only give them a good standard of living and would in no way contribute towards their marital happiness. It would be nice if couples understand that a good marriage needs many other blessings, my mother concluded. I think my mother had a point there. It is true that you always think that being rich is the top blessing your married life drastically needs. How can money contribute towards the happiness in your marriage? It is true that money gives you an extraordinary standard of living. Money makes you financially independent. You're able to buy the best things the world has to offer to you. You also have an enviable social status. That is all. Money in no way brings you emotionally close to your spouse. Most of you want to enjoy an emotionally intimate relationship with your spouse. It is quite natural, isn't it? But often you find it near impossible to coexist in peace with your spouse. Many a time you wonder about the missing elements in your relationship that is preventing you from enjoying good marriage. You look with envy at couples who are enjoying the marriage to the hilt. And you wonder about what makes such couples enjoy the married life while you struggle to hold yours together. The answer to all your doubts is very simple. The couples you envy are blessed with qualities which is missing in your relationship. Are you wondering about the blessings your marriage needs to make it enjoyable? The number one blessing of a good marriage is friendliness with your spouse. Being friendly with your spouse is one of the rarest qualities in today's modern marriages. In this modern age, you lead a hectic lifestyle. Naturally, you're always tense and stressed by your work-related pressures and family issues. Whenever family issues crop up, you're all keyed up. And whenever work related pressures crop up, you become all tense and stressed. Your family and work related issues makes your interaction with your spouse heated and hostile. How can I be friendly with my spouse when I'm loaded with responsibilities? I feel so stressed out that all I want is to vent my frustration on my spouse. You defend your tense relationship with your spouse, but strangely, you're totally different in your workplace. You laugh and make fun of your colleagues and enjoy good companionship with them. I often observe colleagues sharing fun moments between themselves when I'm in a bank or other offices. I always wonder whether these people carry the same smile and friendliness back home. Most probably they don't. Yes, most of you frown and fret when at home. You're often edgy and jumpy when you're with your spouse. You do not interact with your spouse. Instead, you dump yourself before the TV, computer, or laptop. You do not want to be disturbed either by your spouse or your children. If this is the scenario of your married life, you're not enjoying a good marriage. When you're friendly with your spouse, it's a clear sign that your relationship is enjoyable to both. Being humorous and funny when you are at home makes your spouse feel happy and content. When you take everything your spouse says to you in the right spirit, there'll be enjoyable breeziness in your interaction. Friendly relationship with your spouse is one of the topmost blessings of a good marriage. The number two blessing of a good marriage is financial security. Money is a tricky commodity in marriage. Do you know when you're financially depleted, it instigates accusing war between you? When you spend your money recklessly without thinking about the future of your family, you will lose it. And your married life without money will turn nightmarish and hellish. It is because when you lose money, you lose the love of your spouse also. Bitter arguments accrue between you, making your married life miserable and wretched. Though money might not make you happy, but it makes you wealthy. And you drastically need money to live through your married life. You need money for your day to day survival. You need money to enjoy a good social status. You need money to pay your bills and mortgages. You need money to give your children the best education. So, learn the trick of saving money for your financial security. and spend money for the enjoyment of your family. If you only save, your family cannot enjoy their life. If you only spend money, your family loses their financial security. So use your money judiciously. Financial freedom is a precious blessing your marriage drastically needs. When you have enough money to make the financial future of your family secure, you're indeed lucky. The number three blessing of a good marriage is good children. You cannot think of your married life apart from your children. Your children are the binding agent of your relationship. In fact, many a time your children save your marriage from failure. When your children are well behaved and well mannered, it makes you feel fulfilled and content. On the other hand, when your children are unruly and spoiled brats, they make your married life all unhappy and miserable. So, teach your children good manners from the young age itself. Be appreciative and encouraging towards your children. Appreciated and encouraged children often behave themselves. Good children are one of the topmost blessings of a good marriage. The number four blessing of a good marriage is good health. Are you wondering how good health could be a criterion of a good marriage? It is because when any one of your family members lose their health, you feel lost in your relationship. Yes, the good health of your family decides your contentment quotient in your marriage. When your family enjoys good health, you just cannot ask for more. So, never lose your health in fast foods and fast lifestyle. Once you lose your health, you can never get it back. Good health of your family is one of the greatest blessings of a good marriage. The number five blessing of a good marriage is unwavering emotional support of your spouse. When you're feeling low and depressed, your mind seeks the emotional support of your spouse more than anything else. When your spouse extends spontaneous emotional support, you cannot ask for more in your marriage. Living through your marriage without the emotional support of your spouse will make your relationship all the more taxing to you. But when your spouse springs to your support instantly, you feel secure and safe in your marriage bond. So, the emotional support of your spouse is yet another valuable blessing of a good marriage. A good marriage depends on several beautiful aspects to make it a fascinating experience to you. So, do not ever feel complacent about the blessings of a good marriage. Every minute aspect of your marriage is a true blessing to you. Did this video make you understand the blessings you need to enjoy a good marriage? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.